Kubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Umentri rangba ka jela Conrad ke sangma menta ka singi lo Plie Paidbah yaki Collective Marketing Center ha ka Shnong Thadmuthlong Shangpung Pohshnong mat Laskeiñ bat ban Plie Paidbah ya ka Laskeiñ Turmeric Festival lani ka tamasa ban lekmen ya ka jingjob ginong rep shinrai Laskeiñ West Gente Hills. Kini ki CMC gide ki bela biang lut na dong shadong na du ban that ban rekhyang ban teliat ban ot bat ban pej ya ka kukumen lani ka dawai ka badon hau shinrai ka ba menchua ka ju shimpo di bun sngi yau menteri rangba la senran du MLA ka tha ni ba coming one umbon deputy commissioner ka West Gente Hills ba Garrett LSN Dykes bat ki officer na gitna trekam beper hadin ka jing Plie Paidbah ki CMC menteri rangba la hiar Laskeiñ banishim benta ka Laskeiñ festival ha ka jing yalang ka blalong Hamadan Pamsna mini stadium Laskeiñ Hagajiga don lang MLA ka thang ba nujor ki sungo. Kane program kade ka belapan kre da ka Directorate of Horticulture but ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency.
1, 2, 3. Congratulations.
Yeah, Laskeiñ.
Yeah, but in my new league.
Yeah.
Is this helping you
Yes,
overall?
very much so. Very much.
The production has gone up.
Yeah.
You are able to do more work, right?
Yeah.
And it has made it easy also for you.
It's very easy because we now have to slice with that machine, not like before we have to slice by hand.
Right.
Shall we put our hands together for the turmeric cake? It is made at Laskeiñ.
And that's why we looked at the entire value chain. It starts with giving the seeds to the farmers, training them of how to take care of the product, helping them in processing, helping them in packaging, helping them in marketing. It is all these steps that matter for a farmer. And the government's job is to ensure that we see the entire spectrum and help the farmer all the way. That is what a mission mode program is all about. That when we celebrate our Diamond Jubilee, that is 60 years, we should be among the top 10 states in the country. That means the per capita GSDP should be among the top 10 states in the country. And that doesn't happen just because I say it should happen. It happens because we have a target. It happens because we have a plan to achieve the target. It happens because we have a mission to achieve that target. And that is why today, the GSDP of the state, the primary sector, which is the agriculture sector, adds 22% to the GSDP. 70% of our population is dependent on agriculture. Now, just by distributing seeds, if we expect that we're going to increase that contribution to the GSDP, it's not going to happen. Just by ensuring that we have one fair and one training program, that the income of the farmers will go up, it will not happen. That in the past 4 years, what we had seen and what we had started with. Today we are here, after 4 years, I'm sure, and I'm happy in fact, that Mr. K.N. Kumar is here to actually witness it himself, because he was instrumental in starting this mission. I'm sure he must be one of the most happy and the satisfied person to ultimately see the curcumin extraction taking place right here. There was a time when the curcumin content had to be measured in Kolkata would take 10 days. We did it in 10 minutes out here. This is the kind of technology and the kind of improvement that we are doing for the farmers. There is no curcumin extraction unit plant in the whole of Northeast. We have started doing it in a very indigenous manner, thanks to the help of Pradeep and his team. But we are intending to take it even further by ensuring that we even get better technology, even better standards, which will be acceptable globally in terms of the quality, in terms of the cleanliness, the process, and all the standards that need to be met, so that our product will be in highest demand throughout the world. And that's really what our target is. And as rightly mentioned by Mr. K. N. Kumar, that is the way forward for us. And we need to see, we need to dream big. This day today, which we are seeing, where we are actually slicing the turmeric, the Laskeiñ turmeric right here through a solar powered system, without having to depend on the power, the traditional systems. We're able to convert it into powder. We're able to convert it into curcumin, package it here. I don't think people would have thought about this day 4 years back. But it happened because there was a vision, a target, and a mission. The reason why we called it the Laskeiñ Festival and not just a Laskeiñ conference is because we feel that we need to celebrate. This is something to celebrate. We need to be proud of it. We need to attract other people also to come in and see what you have done, how you have taken this product that has been blessed by Almighty to us, and how you have converted into something that will be a source of revenue and income and livelihood for the farmers and the people of this area. So therefore, it's something we must celebrate and something that we must ensure that we are able to take this forward. So once again,